prepping. Everybody's God.
You know what I said?
Huh?
For 7 minutes we was talking and it was recording. And then, so that 7 minutes ain't gonna be out. That 7 minutes getting ready to get dropped. Yes, indeed. Now I done went over there, got all that mud on my shoes. I think I'm gonna step back over here. Cause I was over there and got a bunch of mud on the side of my shoe. See how they did the first part already?
Yeah.
Look at it shining.
I know, it was good, doesn't it?
Now,
Other places, like where it's deeper, they gotta put air hoses in. Hope everything's settled.